Hey everybody, we're come to this town Mintaro, and it's just a fantastic old colonial establishment. We've got the glass overhead causing all sorts of havoc. Jenny's eager to say something about this place, wherever she's gone, but just check out the buildings. This place was established prior to 1850. We're going to have a meal at the pub, Magpie
and Stump.
Magpie and Stump. There's a big stump. Look at that big Moreton Bay.
Beautiful log fire there.
Yeah, and I think that's a Moreton Bay fig. But yeah, prior to 1850, the pub was built in 1851.
Here, Geoff.
And yeah, just check this joint out. There's some old, very dilapidated places. And there's some places that have been really well restored.
Immaculately.
Which includes the pub.
Yep.
And in 1856, 5 years after the pub was built, the church arrived.
So, what was that oldest Catholic one?
Yeah, it's the oldest Jesuit church in Australia.
Catholic Jesuit.
Oldest, yeah, well, Jesuits are Catholic, Jenny.
Yeah, that's right. Here, look at the petrol houses.
We've got some old petrol houses up here. Not as old as what I've seen. I have actually seen older ones than that. So, but they're still very nice, and they're off the road. So, I doubt whether they are still active. They're stuck on 86 cents a litre. So that would take them back a few years.
So many beautiful gardens.
Yeah.
Gardens and trees.
Just some beautiful old places. I don't know if this is somebody's house. The Teapot Inn. Better get down on the street here. Fantastic places. We're going to have a lovely meal, I'm sure, at the pub. Got another one over there. Mintaro, South Australia, in the Clare Valley. If you want to come and have an interesting time, if you're into old heritage type dwellings and lifestyle buildings, then this is definitely the place for you. This place has an abundance of all that kind of stuff. The pub is just up the road up here. And I've already had a pint, and I'm probably going to have a little bit more. So we'll see. I don't know how I'm going to go. I might get Jenny to drive home, I think, back to Clare. So Jenny, what have you got?
I've got roast beef, and it smells divine, with asparagus, carrot and broccoli.
Fantastic. And I have this, what they call the stump burger with some fries. And it's looking fantastic.
Looks delicious.
And, but just fantastic old colonial heritage place, full of history, full of wineries. Really good stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. See you all again very soon. Bye.